Something that can really elevate your Squarespace website is adding zoom to images. Now, unfortunately, adding zoom on hover isn't quite a native feature yet, but you can do it with a little bit of CSS. So what I'm going to do is show you the snippet and then explain what that does. So what you'll see here is a page with a ton of different pictures on. Now, if we go into pages and then custom code and custom CSS, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the code that I've been playing around with. So if you look, as I hover over this, nothing happens. Over this, nothing happens. Over this, we get this nice zoom effect here. So what I'll do is I'll explain what's going on. First of all, we've got the block ID. So if we use Will Myers Squarespace block ID finder, you'll find that here. You'll see each block, each section, and each collection has an ID. What I've done is I've taken the block ID here, and what I've done is applied the code within only to that block. So block ID, open up the squiggly brackets, and then I've given the image a transition of 0.2 seconds. So if I take this off, you'll see it snaps and it snaps, and it just looks so disjointed. So this is why we keep the transition in. Then we've got our hover effect, which is the scale. So this doesn't scale the block, it scales the image within the block. If I put the scale on the block itself, like this, you'd see it goes way too big. So we'll take that off. And then you see within the scale, we can have a play around. So if you wanted to zoom in loads and loads, you can go crazy. You can see what's on the mountains, but you can fiddle around with that number. So anything above 1 is going to change it to make it bigger. Anything below, you'll see if I put like 0.5 and then hover, it is going to shrink the image within the block. Now, it looks like the block is shrinking, but actually it's just the image within the block. So what we'll do is we'll say 1.1, 1.2. I feel like 1.2 is the sweet spot. If you think it's higher or lower, pop a comment down below and I'll read it and I might reply to it as well. But for all intents and purposes, that is our code. So if you want to then apply it to all these blocks here, you'll grab the block ID, you'll put a comma here, and you can see we've got these, and we'll put another comma here. And all images now have that, except for this one, which we haven't added it to. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.